The surface transfer grid allows a team to be moved from one room to another room, or from the workstation to other workstations. For example, I'm going to move a team to the same floor, but we could very well move these teams to another floor or to another building. I'm going to move a team assigned to the room 1014 people to the room, and then I'm going to move a team of 7 people from the room to the room on which there are 7 free stations. To move these people, we will select the rooms in which they are. With the shift, I can select the second piece, and my pieces are accumulated on the left side. I select all of my 2 parts whose employees I will transfer, and I will be able to create a transfer matrix in Excel, allowing me to easily carry out the movements of my employees. I click on this icon. In my downloads, I get my matrix back, in which I have 2 tabs. The assignment tab to the workstation, in which I have my 7 people with their current assignment. Building, floor, room, workstation, and the 4 columns of the arrival assignment, arrival workstation name, room name, floor name, and building name. In the second tab, room assignment, I have the 4 people who are currently assigned to room 1001 with room, floor, building. Obviously, I don't have the column for the workstation since the people are assigned to the room, and I have the 3 columns for the arrival assignment with the name of the room, the name of the floor, and the name of the building. For room assignments, I need to fill in the part name, which is 1020, 1020. This room is the same for all 4 people. The name of the floor and the name of the building remain in themselves in the case of the example, Control-C, Control-V. The 4 people will therefore move from room 1001 to the ground floor of building 1. For assignments to the workstation, we will move the people who are in room 1034 in the room 1028 at extension ACHIJKL. So the name of room 1028 on all assignments. The workstation name is the name of the part with the letters. The name of the floor and the building remains the same. The assignments to the workstations will therefore move 1034 ABCDEF workstations to room 1034 on floor R1 of building A1 at the A, B, HIJ, KL workstation in the room on the R1 floor in building A1. The degris is now finished. I will be able to re-import these degris into Surfy. I made a small mistake. It's not a BH, it's ACH. There you go. I'm going to be able to import this matrix into Surfy. To do this, I save my file and I go back to Surfy to import my grid into the assignments, assignment to the workstation, import the transfer matrices of the workstations. I will look in my downloads for the corresponding file that I will move in the window. The Surfy tells me that for the 7 people posted here, the workstation has changed and the room has changed on the same floor and on the same building. I can check off all or part of the proposed lines and update. On the floor under consideration, it can be seen that the vacant places have changed location and the people have been moved to the corresponding workstation. For room assignment transfers, we're going to go to Room Assignment and we're going to import the matrix into Import Space Transfer Matrices. In the same way, we will drag the file to this place, and Surfy offers us the transfer of the people concerned from the room to the room. I select all or part of my list and update. If I go back to building A1 on floor R1, I see that in the room where I started, I no longer have an assignment. And in the finish room, my 4 people are well transferred. So I can transfer people from one space to another space, or from workstations to other workstations in a single matrix.